Stabilized whipped cream, using gelatin. Are you eager to enhance your whipped cream with the magic of gelatin? This guide offers a comprehensive look at crafting stabilized whipped cream ideal for topping desserts from pies to holiday cakes. Stabilized whipped cream with gelatin not only holds its shape better, but is also perfect for those who love the light, airy texture of traditional whipped cream without the usual collapse. Professional bakeries often use stabilized whipped cream for their fancy desserts, which look like they're simply frosted, but offer a delightful whipped treat upon tasting. Using gelatin as a stabilizer helps the cream maintain its form and prevents it from melting into a goopy mess, making it superior for longer display and enjoyment. This method is especially useful for frosting cupcakes and cakes, providing a lighter alternative to heavy buttercream. You'll need simple ingredients: a teaspoon of unflavored gelatin, 4 teaspoons of cold water, 1 cup of heavy cream, half a cup of powdered sugar, and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. The preparation starts by sprinkling gelatin over cold water in a small bowl, letting it sit for about 5 to 7 minutes to soften. Meanwhile, prepare your stand mixer with a whisk attachment, combining the heavy cream, vanilla, and powdered sugar in the mixer's bowl. After the gelatin has set, microwave it until it turns to liquid, about 10 seconds, ensuring it's fully dissolved. Begin whipping the cream mixture on a slow setting, gradually increasing to high speed as you slowly add the melted gelatin. Continue whipping until the cream reaches stiff peaks, ensuring it's well aerated and stable. Your stabilized whipped cream is now ready to be used for decorating your favorite desserts, either spread or piped as desired. This whipped cream variant not only enhances the visual appeal of desserts, but also their textual contrast, giving a professional touch to homemade sweets. Explore further with related techniques, such as stabilizing whipped cream with cream cheese for different flavors and textures. Enjoy the satisfaction of creating professional quality whipped cream at home, perfect for elevating your baking creations. Experiment with the ratios of sugar and vanilla to tailor the cream's sweetness and flavor to your liking. Indulge in the versatility of stabilized whipped cream by using it in various desserts, enjoying its enhanced stability and delightful texture. This stabilized whipped cream recipe promises a robust addition to your culinary repertoire, perfect for special occasions and everyday treats alike.